Welcome to Future XP. We say future is now. We are really excited to lay our hands on the new DJI Spark, waiting for it to get delivered. It would be here any minute now. There it comes. Let's go and get it. Finally, I've got the Spark in my hand. Let's get it unboxed. हाँ, आपने सही नोटिस किया है, फ्लाई मोड कॉम्बो। चलो फटाफट अनबॉक्स करते हैं। और एक चीज़ जो मैंने बोलना भूल गया कि द कलर दैट आई हैव चोजन इज रेड। चलो देखते हैं बॉक्स में क्या है। ओके, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द ड्रोन टू बी इन दिस बॉक्स। चलो फट से खोल के देख लेते हैं। वाओ, देयर यू गो, द रेड वन विद वन बैटरी अटैच, एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी, एक्स्ट्रा प्रोपेलर्स। साइड में रखते हैं। कैरी बैग में देखते हैं। वाओ, बैटरी चार्जिंग स्लॉट 3 एक साथ, पावर केबल हटाते हैं, चार्जर, चार्जिंग केबल, propeller guards, and here comes the RC. और कुछ है क्या? Nah. So, okay, some manuals you can go through. You take this fly mode combo, you would be able to save a lot. The RC. The main reason क्यों मैंने fly mode combo लिया. So that was it from our unboxing. आगे video में we will try and set up the drone with the phone as well as the RC. A quick setup guide. Take off. Keep watching. Let me take you through the quick setup. Download the DJI Go 4 app from Play Store. Once that's downloaded, open that application, allow media files, check the device location, update, follow for an update this application good for you, agree to the terms, join the product feedback program if you want to, sign up. I have got a sign in account, so I have signed in, or I will sign in. And now choose your device. I have so here in this case Spark. So once you're on Spark, activate your aircraft, allow once again, quickly scan the code on the box, agree, now next, now again activate. So it will upload your serial number to the server. Once that's done, you have activated your aircraft. Now you have two choices to make, either connect it through the RC or through your phone. Now we will connect it through the phone, that is without RC. Once you do that, it will give you instructions to turn it on. Quite easy. Press the power button once and then press it twice, or hold on to it, it will turn on. Now to connect, either scan it or manually add the SSID of your drone onto your mobile phone, and you're all set to go. Enjoy flying your Spark. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon for more such contents.